excited to share with you a simple sodi recipe, which is a delightful coconut milk curry. Sodi is a traditional South Indian dish known for its creamy texture and aromatic flavors. Made with coconut milk and some fresh vegetables, this vegetarian curry is a true comfort food. Sodi can also be served with dishes like idiyappam or string hoppers. Let's start by sauteing some mustard seeds in a hot pan until they splutter and release their fragrant aroma. Then we'll add some sliced onion, chopped garlic and curry leaves and stir for 2 to 3 minutes for the onions to cook and become translucent. Now we can add tomatoes and chili. Stir for a while. Once tomatoes are tender, we can add diluted coconut milk. You can use canned coconut milk too. Just dilute it on a ratio of 1 to 4 and any vegetables that we are using. Today I am using some carrots. Now we can add salt and turmeric powder. Cover the pan and simmer the curry on low heat for 5 to 10 minutes. Now we will add the magical ingredient, thick coconut milk. Make sure to keep stirring to prevent the coconut milk from curdling. We can add lime juice to provide some tanginess to the dish. An important tip here, don't let the coconut milk boil. It is enough for it to bubble slightly. At this stage, you may switch off the stove and pour the sodi into a serving bowl. Our sodi is now ready to be served. The vibrant colors of the rich coconut infused curry are a feast for the eyes. Today we are serving sodi with idiyappam. This is truly a satisfying meal. I hope you enjoyed joining us on this journey to explore sodi, a classic Indian delicacy. If you love this recipe, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and food exploration. Until next time, happy cooking.